when I the whole choo-choo train and 13 people, that was. But let's get back to this. You got three lovers. Are they lovers slash boyfriend? Do they
Lovers.
love? Because you don't need to go on a date. You just
No. We spend time together. We enjoy each other sometimes. My husband is actually involved.
in what way?
Every once, like this happened yesterday, actually. One of my lovers, he and my husband actually made a date to go hang out together. They actually went to the gun range and went shooting.
Did your lover like? Oh my fucking gosh, he gonna shoot my ass?
No, no, like they both brought their favorite things to shoot and had a great time.